Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA banking account, secure guide step by step clearly. Visit the USAA official website. Locate the log on button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the log on button to proceed. You'll be directed to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Ensure the user ID is entered correctly. Next, input your password on the following line. Double-check your password for accuracy. If you are using a personal device, you may choose to check the Remember My User ID box. This step will save your user ID for future logins. Once all information is entered, click the Log On button. Wait for the system to process your login credentials. If successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Should you encounter issues, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the prompts to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. If you are using USAA's mobile app, open the app on your device. Tap on the Log On option at the bottom of the screen. Input your user ID and password as you would on the website. Select the Log On button to access your account. For any additional assistance, locate the Help section on the website or app. Contact USAA customer support if you need further help with logging in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.